In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set availability in Calendly fast and easy. Calendly is a fantastic tool that helps streamline scheduling by letting others see when you're available and book time slots accordingly. Here's how to set your availability effortlessly. First, let's get started by heading to your web browser and navigating to Calendly's website. Simply type in calendly.com and hit enter. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you're not already a user, you'll want to sign up, which is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which is your main hub where all the magic happens. Next, focus on the list of event types displayed on your dashboard. Spot the event card for which you wish to modify the availability. Within the event card, you'll notice a small settings icon in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will provide you with more options specific to that event type, which is exactly what we need to proceed. After clicking the settings icon, you should now see the option to click on Edit. This is where we can make the necessary changes to the event settings, including the availability. It's always a good idea to make sure you're adjusting the right event, so take a moment to ensure you're in the editing mode for the correct one. Now, locate the Availability tab. Clicking on this will lead you to the part of the interface where you can set specific times for when you're open for bookings. At this point, you'll notice a pen icon next to your existing availability entries. That pen icon is key. Click it. This action allows you to adjust your availability by setting precise starting and ending times. To set your starting time, click on the relevant field. From there, a drop-down menu will appear where you can easily adjust the start time. Choose the time that best suits your schedule. Once you've set the start time, move on to do the same for your ending time. It's crucial to ensure there's no overlap, so the transition between these steps should be seamless to avoid booking conflicts. Once you're satisfied with the times you've chosen, look for the Apply to One Event Type option and click on it. This ensures the availability settings you've configured will apply to this particular event, streamlining the booking process for all involved. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save Changes to ensure all your new settings are securely stored in the system. And that's it. By following these steps, you've